Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone's new review video. In this video, we are going to talk about a new lifetime deal, which is VidTechy. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Facebook group for the latest SaaS LTD giveaway and reviews. Now let's talk about what is VidTechy. If you are a content creator, or if you are a agency owner, or if you have a businesses and if you are managing YouTube channel to grow your business, then VidTechy is the right tool for you. VidTechy is an AI-powered YouTube marketing tool. It helps creators and businesses to grow their YouTube channels. It offers tools for keyword research, video SEO, and optimization, and competitor or video tag analysis, and more. So if you are looking a YouTube SEO or YouTube optimization tools, which is VidIQ and TubeBuddy alternative, then VidTechy is a perfect match for you. Before starting the VidTechy lifetime deal review, let's talk about its pricing. On the AppSumo marketplace, VidTechy offer a lifetime deal for limited time. You can get it for $59 US, giving you full access to all feature. This is one-time payment, not a monthly fee. Check out my video description for the deal link. Don't wait, as it's only available for short time. And if you scroll down, they're claiming this tool is alternative for TubeBuddy and VidIQ. So if you have a YouTube channel, or if you have a business and you are managing YouTube channel and you want to optimize your YouTube video and you want to grow your YouTube channel, so this type of tool is really cool for you. I show you how this tool works, but if you scroll down, as you can see, if you scroll down, they have 4-tier pricing plan. So basically the main difference is you can get all feature access, no problem, but they limited for channel access, tier 1 to tier 4. If you grab their highest plan, then you can manage at least 10 YouTube channel, which is pretty good, and it's only $399 US. And they also offer team access from their tier 3 plan. So if you have a multiple YouTube channel and if you want to grow your YouTube channel and allocate with your work with your team, then you can purchase tier 3 plan or tier 4 plan. Or if you have a single business or one YouTube channel, then you can purchase tier 1. That is enough for you. So as you can see, we are now VidTechy dashboard, and first you have to add your YouTube channel. We are adding here our YouTube channel, SaaS Deal Zones. And if you want to add new YouTube channel, then you can check on the left sections, you can add new channel, right? So on the left side, you can see they have multiple key features and multiple premium options to optimize your YouTube video and your YouTube channel. So first of all, you have to check the channel SEO, then to click the channel SEO options. Then if you are creating a new YouTube channel, or if you start from scratch or zero, then this option is perfect for you. Like if you are creating just a new YouTube channel, then you can input your channel main keyword, or you provide your channel about your channel information, and then save. Okay. So then you will get the basic information. They have YouTube channel SEO manual checklist, which is universal for all YouTube channel. They recommended some customization, like validate and optimize your channel name for branding. Like our YouTube channel name is SaaS Deal Zone, so our channel handle is SaaS Deal Zone. So if people are searching on YouTube SaaS Deal Zone, then they will easily get our YouTube channel and watch our video. And auto subscribe link, they will automatically create this. If you are copy this subscriber link, and if you are promoting it, or if you are sending someone this link, they will automatically get notified to subscribe your YouTube channel. This is the one kind of pop-up they will get. So they give some recommendation, like validate and optimize your channel name and branding, optimize your channel handle. If you are doing this task, then you just simply check these options, then this will done. Then step by step you have to complete all things, so that they optimize this channel for Google recommendations, and it will 100% SEO friendly. Look, I just click one check mark, then my 60% SEO manual checklist is complete. If I optimize my handle, like this is my handle is already optimized, then you can check 13% of manual SEO checklist is done. Then you have to optimize each and everything they recommended for. Let's talk about video SEO feature. So now let's talk about video SEO features. So as you can see, this is the video SEO. So you have to create a project. For creating project, you have to add video project from here. So I already add one. So this is my project. So video SEO, optimize your videos for better ranking. VidTechy suggests title, tag, meta descriptions that match YouTube algorithm. And it checks your video metadata to ensure it's search friendly. You can edit description and tag easily. The tool also offers a checklist to improve engagement. This helps your video get more clicks and views. It's a great for beginner who don't know about SEO. Even pros can save time with these features. Use video SEO to make every video perform better. It's a key tool for growing your audience fast. So all you need to do, first, if you are planning to create a video on a specific topic, like you can search here. I search here how to make money from blogging. I want to create a video from this topic. So I input my search keyword. Then they suggest me this keyword have search intent 134 suggestion keyword on available on YouTube, and 14 suggested keyword, 47 questions related to this topic, and positions and comparison. So you can check how to make money from blogging, how to make money from blogging for beginner. You can search this topic on Google and YouTube also. So this is very good feature, and there are many topic here. There are many questions available here. You can select anyone to create a video and cover this topic, right, for your YouTube channel. So I choose here, like I choose these options. How to make money from blogging, choose this, choose for second step. So if I go to second step, I will you can check the search volume for this keyword. Then you can determine if it's good for you or not. So analyze this keyword. I select here how to make money from blogging, this keyword. So I analyze this keyword search engine. Like search volume is 40, search volume is very high. And this is medium score, medium competition score for this keyword. And you can check YouTube and Google trend data, and here's the competition, very high competition for this keyword. This is medium, but 51 is very high for making video. Opportunity finder, they will give you some suggestions or opportunity for ranking this keyword. And you can if you want to dominate channel that they have Suruti Pangati, one channel found, and if you want to publish from this topic, then you can check video search result from Google. Medium subscriber range is 62. Then if you are planning to create a video, then you have to at least you have 50 to 100 subscriber to beat this channel. So here's some suggestion to dominate channel. This is the lowest ranking channel. So you can if you want to dominate over this channel, then you have to improve these sections: average subscriber, maximum subscriber, minimum views. You can check all things from here. And how to make money from blogging, this is the YouTube homepage preview. If you are searching this topic on YouTube, then you will get this data. Then you can see the channel all things. He is the SERP rank 1, and how many views he got from this video, and how many like and comment and video duration, and there are so many data available. So you can easily understand how you have to create video for ranking this keyword for step 3. So I choose this keyword and I go to the step 3. I want to select this topic. Here is your title and title preview, description. You can write description, you can check the description preview, you can add disclaimer, tag. There are so many suggestions. Here is the 7 thumbnail suggestions. So you can easily determine how your thumbnail look like. So you can upload your thumbnail so that you can compare if this thumbnail is good for dominating others YouTube channel, right? And there are so many manual checklist options available here, like video definitions. Video has open captions. Video will be one or more playlist, in skin cards, and video public, video targeting language. There are so many options and things to fix. There are 16 recommendation they available here, like title character count and title not optimized. Add this on your title, like make money from blogging, and please add description. There are so many suggestions available here, so you have to check if each and everything to better performing your video. So if you are a newbie, or if you are a pro, then you can follow this step. I think these are the good practice if you want to optimize your YouTube channel for better SEO performing, right? So and finally, scripting details. When you select the each and everything, then you can create a script for your video, like what is your main video hook, and what is the call to actions, and what is the to-do list, or your filming details, all each and everything, if you want to create a video by helping VidTechy. So this is good suggestion. When your video is published, then you can enter your video URL, like this is my video URL. Then you can save this video, and you can also analyze what is the main core things and how to optimize this video, right? So here is the options: competitor research or competitor analyze. Just you have to input some video URL here, one of your video URL or your competitor video URL here. You will get the data. So this is our this is one of example. Say our competitor video. So you can copy the URL, you can copy the title, you can copy the descriptions, how many views your competitor get from this video, how many comment they get, and what is the tag they are using for this video, which is really cool. You can easily spy your competitor video tag, you can spy your competitor hashtag, and you can copy and use them for your video, right? So this is cool things. Then another great feature I want to talk about, which is topic idea research, which is really cool. If you don't have any idea which topic you want to cover on your YouTube channels, let's say you have a make money niche YouTube channel, so you can input your seed keyword for your niche. Like I input here make money, simply make money. So suggest topic. I want to discover more topic for creating more video. Like they have the mind map suggestions, which is this your main keyword. Then you can explore many topic like how to earn money from Boop, how to earn money, make money, how to invest real estate. All are related to the make money, right? This is the mind map options, and they will filter it questions, prepositions, and comparison. There are many ways they are filter this data, and you can select, and you can get idea from data from this section. They have suggest topic. There are so many suggestion topic available here. How, what, can, without, with. This is one kind of, if you are using SEO tool like Answer the Public, then this feature is almost same and related to the Answer the Public. They will also give you this data. So I like this feature, which is really cool. You can get more idea and explore more topic from this topic or idea research. Keyword. Now let's talk about keyword autocomplete. VidTechy keyword autocomplete finds trending keyword fast. You type a word, like if you are typing here, if you are typing AI writing, if you type a word, and it suggests the popular search term from YouTube and Google. Like a provider, you can you select the YouTube, select the country, and select the language, then click to start, right? So this helps you to pick keywords that viewers search for. It's a great for creating videos that rank higher. And this tool show data like search for keyword length, word count, and source, and so many results you can get from these options. You can target low competition keyword to grow your channel. It's easy to use and save time. And it can benefit both beginner and pros. So as you can see, I only search AI writing. They suggest many keyword: AI writing tools, AI writing assistance, AI writing opportunity to make money faster, and keyword length, word count. There are so many topic available on this topic, right? And keyword frequency, you can check the keyword frequency, and top 10 unique idea for this keyword. And keyword analyzer, this is the other great tool. There are so many tools available actually. So keyword analyzer, if you want to analyze any keyword, so I search here how to control your mind, and you can also filter here CPM and max CPM and here. So I search and analyze this keyword. So you can get data for this keyword, an idea about this keyword, like search volume, competitions, channel, and video publish frequency, and top 20 video analysis for on-page optimizations. And you can check video search result in Google. You can also check from result from Google. Latest published video, you can check latest published video. There are so many options available here actually. And my favorite is title analyzer and description generator, which is really good. If you want to write and optimize proper description for your keyword, for your video, YouTube video, then this feature is really amazing. Like you can check YouTube suggested description format, right? Description above the fold. So here you can see the recommendation: short description of your video in about 2 sentences. Try to include your main keyword here. So if you are covering, or if you are creating video about how to make money online, then they suggest you to write at least 2 sentences and include your main keyword here. So you can easily optimize these things. And second, description below the fold. Longer description of your video, about 2 to 3 sentences. Try to include your main target keyword and consider using bullet point. They also suggest another description optimization options, right? Time spent is really important. If user want to know a specific point, then they can check the time frame and they will get start watching from there. And about the channel, you have to write a short your channel about section, so that it will optimize better. Other recommendation, like if you have other videos, if you have a playlist, you can select here. And if you have a podcast or company, if you have a podcast or company information, then you can input here. And your website details, if you have any, and contact social media information, and for sponsorship, you can input here. And input here some hashtag, input here some keyword. And finally, if you generate the description, you will get one complete description from here, and which is YouTube recommendation or Google recommendation friendly. So really good. I already tried this and getting better result. So tag finder, which is pretty good. If you want to find a better tag for your video, then you have to just input your keyword. Like I input here my video keyword here, how to control your mind, then number of videos you want to analyze, like you want to 5 or 10. Like I just input here 5. I want to analyze 5 video, then suggest tag. They will suggest best tag for you, and all tag are long form tag, so you can easily rank with this keyword. You just have to select this keyword, like select all, then you can copy and use this keyword on your video. Find the better hashtag for your video, right? So there are many options available here. Actually, if I want to describe each and everything, this video will be long. So I recommended you to at least try this tool. If you don't like it, then you have a 60 days refund policy. So definitely you can try this tool. And if you think this tool is better for you, right for you, perfect fit for you, then you can keep it. Otherwise, you can refund it. Here is all about VidTechy. If you have any question about this lifetime deal, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews. Join our Facebook group for the latest SaaS LTD giveaway and lifetime deal update. Check the video description for the AppSumo deal link. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.